So what's up guys, I'm Mesh from TechMesh, and today I'm going to show you how you can create your YouTube intro or any intro or outro with your smartphone. So let's get started, shall we? So first of all, just let me roll my intro. Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to just head over to your Play Store and search for an application called Legend. I already downloaded it, and here as you can see, just open it after downloading the application. Just type whatever you want, just like I am typing welcome. Okay, then you just hit to play, and here you can select cool effects like you can see, and then also cool colors like this. So you can see that there is a lot of cool effects. Actually the video will be about 20 or half hour if I continue to view all the cool effects. So let's just select this one. Okay, then you have to select here square or landscape. If you are making videos for YouTube, then I would suggest you to make it in landscape, and the higher the better quality. That's why I'm selecting 1080p. Okay, and then all you have to do is you have to hit save this and then save as video, and then it will start to save. So guys, as you can see, it is saying Legend save as mp4. So guys, now just let's view the video, that intro or outro that we have made, and as you can see, welcome and those effects and everything. So that's it guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, then please hit the like button, and if you want to know more about this or anything else, then just let me know that in the comment section below, and it would be a big help if you could just subscribe to my channel. So that's it guys, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'm signing out.